The purpose of this video is to show you how these green plastic / metal pop rivets on various Honda and Acura vehicles work and how they can be removed, because I have always had a hard time removing them from the interior panels. So these pop rivets are a lot very similar to the conventional ones like these, except they hold on a lot better. This is one located right here, and the way it works is this is a unused one, and it clips in through this metal portion, and as it gets inserted, these little tabs come back, and you can see there's like a retaining right there is where it clicks on. So it expands and keeps it in there. So this is the current state of what the pop rivet will be inside of your car. But when you look at the repair manual or installation instructions from accessories, that is included with accessories, it just tells you to like hit it the outside of the area, like right the back side, which would be like right here, with like a mallet and a shop towel. And personally, I've had zero success with that. And the way it works is you're supposed to get this metal part to touch the green part and compress, and you can see there's like this little metal tab in there, and that, as it gets compressed, it'll reset it to a diameter that will allow it to come out. But the thing is that you got to push on it like super hard. So what I'll do is show you the amount of force required to get that thing out by, I'm going to go ahead and set this in here, right there. I'm going to set it by pushing on it. Okay, so that thing is in there now. And what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to hit it from the outside of the plastic panel enough to get the metal part, the metal flange, to hit the green part. So I'm going to try and hit it a couple times. You can see the amount of force I'm applying. It's quite a bit. Also, if it's kind of crooked, it's not going to come out. You got to make sure it's fully flattened. Okay, so hopefully this comes out. Nope. So you can see there's a little bit of gap there. That should do it. There you go. You can see it goes to the second rib here. But the thing is that, could you imagine hammering on your plastic panel with a shop towel? It's not always going to be successful, and even if you have a shop towel there, sometimes you can abrade the surface. You got to know exactly where you're hitting it. And honestly, what I did was, you can see there's a slot in there when it was installed. I just pulled it in the right direction to get it to come out, and then I removed it after the fact. So now you know pretty much the mechanism of how this works. You can try and hammer on your trim panels and chance marring the surface even with a shop towel. It can happen. If possible, I recommend just pulling out from the back side and then hitting with the mallet after the fact. Honda recommends that you replace these each time, but if you work very carefully by pushing on this end and prying on these, you can actually reset it. So that's what I would do. But if you do have extra ones, or you want to buy them, this is the part number for it: 91561-TA5-A11. I'll call these the green rivets from hell. All right, thanks.